On today's podcast, we'll be talking about electrical safety, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
As an owner, management, maintenance, safety coordinator, or staff, you must ensure that everyone around you gets home safe and sound after a productive day at work. Today, I want to bring your attention to a topic that's electrifying in more ways than one: electrical safety in warehouses and factories. From the circuits that power our machinery to the lighting that guides our way, electrical systems are the lifeblood of our operations, but they can also be a source of potential danger if not managed correctly. Here are 5 ways we can implement better electrical safety in our workplace. Number 1, regular inspections and maintenance. Make it a routine to check all electrical installations for wear and tear. Loose connections, frayed wires, and faulty outlets can pose a significant risk. Schedule professional inspections at least once a year to ensure that electrical systems are in optimal conditions, and make sure that you do regular walkthroughs. Number 2, proper labeling. Label all circuit breakers, fuse boxes, and electrical panels. Make sure that everyone understands which switches control which areas of the warehouse. In an emergency, this can save precious time and prevent accidents. Number 3, use GFCIs, ground fault circuit interpreters. GFCIs should be installed where electricity and water may come into contact. GFCIs are designed to shut off electrical power in the event of ground faults, thus preventing electrical shocks. Trust me, this is a feature you want to pay attention to. Number 4, cable management. Keep cables, wires, and extension cords organized and away from high traffic areas and walkways. Utilize cable management solutions such as cable trays or wire organizers to keep everything neat. Tripping hazards are a nuisance and can lead to significant accidents, especially when electrical outlets are involved. Number 5, training and awareness. Knowledge is power, literally in this case. Conduct regular training sessions and safety drills that include best practices for electrical safety. Every team member should know exactly what to do in electrical emergencies like fires or electrocutions. Electrical safety should always be top of mind within your facility's safety plan. It's an ongoing process that requires the participation and vigilance of every one of us. Implement these 5 practices and create a safer, more efficient work environment. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.